I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's me, Dark, and today we are just gonna be playing Pixel Gun, but it's gonna be sort of a review of the tactical rifle. Okay, the tactical rifle does 27 damage. It's a rare. The rarity is rare. The fire rate is 998. The capacity is 30. Mobility 75. It's an automatic 4x zoom. You don't really find those in rifles, so yes, it's maxed out and everything. But we are gonna be doing a dual night party. Now let's see how this gun performs. In my opinion, it's pretty good. I use it occasionally. I like to use a Black Mamba too, so that's it. It's a really nice weapon. Oh, he has the same tactical rifle. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. You didn't see that? I jumped. Why is it not jumping high? High. Already we got a kill. Ooh, another kill. It's pretty good if you have really good accuracy. It's oh my god. Didn't expect that, sir, didn't you? Did ya? It's a really good spray and pray weapon. You don't really have to have good aim. I mean, well, you need some aim, of course. Can't just hope for the best. You need aim. But it's really good. Here's a 2x zoom, and we are stuck right now. Oh, we can get out. We can get out. There we go. We got out. Um, yeah, it's pretty good. Ooh, okay. Yes, we got a kill. Today I was trying to live stream. Oh my god. It would just not want to work. I was raging. And I was just like, well, why isn't it letting me live stream? And I just kept on trying and trying, and then I just gave up. Yeah, it was just I tried like 15 times at least. At least. And then I stopped. And then I tried again like a few minutes after. Then I'm just making a video right now for you guys. I haven't made a video in a while. I've just been doing live streams. Um but let's do a deathmatch Silent School. Silent School is pretty good. I just don't really go on it that much. Death matches. I don't really do death matches. I like to do duels and just TDMs. But in the comments below, tell me what's your favorite primary weapon. If it might be the Mega Gun, tactical rifle, or just even your ordinary Black Mamba. Tell me what you like in the comments below. Oh, yep. You know I'm there. Nope. That was a. See, look at that. Look at that. Easy kills. Easy kills out here. Okay. Occasionally, a weapon can beat this weapon, like the Mega Gun, which we all know is pretty OP. Oh god. See, you just... Look at that. That's crazy, man. Look at that kill. That was kill was pretty good. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Of course you're gonna be beaten by that weapon. This gun is it's pretty good, but it's OP too. I hope they never nerf it. If they nerf it, it's gonna be a sad day for me. It's a pretty good weapon. I say it's like my second favorite weapon. Black Mamba being the first. This gun is, I think, for coins, so like if you upgrade it more and then you get it, it's gonna be pretty good. You're gonna be one of the best people in your lobbies. Just kick some butt. You know? Ooh, look at that. Good and evil. But in the comments below, tell me what weapon review I should do. Whether it be primary, secondary, melee, special, sniper, or heavy. Tell me what you'd like to see in a video. Okay, let's see what kind of ooh, 11 kills. Not that bad. Let's do another one. Oh god. Nice kills. Fell to his death. Almost fell there. Okay, let's put this this mine. Oh, he didn't die by it. That kind of sucked. If you do put a wear that goes with the primary weapon upgrades, like more primary weapon damage, you're gonna be one of the dominant people that are kicking butt in your Pixel Gun lobby. Oh wow. Oh god. Oh. The Mega Gun. I used to use that weapon a lot because that was my only OP weapon that I had. Oh, let's go. We got a kill. Look at that. You do a hit fire. Pre-fire. I don't know why I said hit fire. Do a hip fire and kick. Just wait. It's really good mobility for a gun. Look at the damage there. Just got a double kill. Super soldier triple. Ooh, I just ran out of ammo. Never again. Let's see. Let's go invisible. Oh my god. Tell me what's your favorite weapon. Let's ooh. No. Okay. Don't want to talk about that. That never happened. I promise you it didn't. Oh my god, no. Okay, never happened, never, ever. Them easy kills though. Oh, what? Did you just respawn? Respawn? Oh god, no. I got stuck. Okay, we're winning right now. Let's try to keep that up. Or we're just gonna die by the anti-champion rifle. Yay. Lol. Oh my god. The demolition. Let's see. We got first place. Let's see how much kills we got. It's 18, not that bad. But guys, it's been good. It's been a fun time making a video. Tell me down in the comments what video I should do next, and see you later.